Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this intro. Okay, so I do have an ambient sound effect on that, but I don't think you guys can hear that. Like, I don't think it is set up because I'm using QuickTime to record this. So is what you want to do is you want to go into iMovie and go to create new. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I made mine. Yeah, like I know there's a bunch of different ways you can do these, but this is just what I am going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into this like arrow up here, and that is to import stuff. And then I'm going to click on this one, which that's a picture. And so I got this picture off of gosh, I forgot what it's called now. Pexler, I believe it's called. I don't know. I have a video about it up, so you guys can go check that out. So I just have this free stock photo, and so I'm gonna put this in here. I would recommend just getting like a free stock photo that doesn't have any copyright on it. And I do recommend that website that I mentioned, and I'll leave a link down below to how to get like those photos or whatever. Like, I'll leave a link to the video, hopefully, if I remember. So basically, is what I have here is just this, and I assume that it like moves side to side because it has the Ken Burns on it. And I like that for my particular one, but if you don't want it to move, then you would do crop to fill or fit. Yeah. So I'm just gonna leave it on Ken's Burns or Ken Burns. I don't know. And you want to go up here to titles, and basically, is how I'm showing you right now. You guys can literally like do anything you want, so you can just play around with it. And for my specific one, I'm just going to show you my specific one. You go to this one, which is called Pixie Dust, and you want to click and drag it down to your movie. And personally, I like just having this back here just because the pictures don't really move at the beginning. And so then I'm probably just going to go about here and go Command B, and that splits the clip, and then I'm going to click on this part and push the delete key because I don't want that. And then you have this. So then is what you want to do is click on this, like you'd want to double click on that, and so then it brings this up here. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. My computer is on top of my dresser, and so I like open the drawers with my feet. It's weird. So you want to put your name or whatever you want up there, and you can change the font and stuff. Yeah, but I'm just gonna leave this for now just to keep the video short. So you want to go like that, and then you can go back here and watch it to see what it looks like. Okay, and so then there's just this, like, too much of this. And so basically, like, as soon as it, like, stops, like, having, like, that glitter there, I want to go here and Command B, split the clip. So I want to delete that, and then take this back to here. And this does take a lot of playing around with. So you just want to go like that, just see what it looks like. And so I like how that looks. So you can either use music from iTunes or whatever. You just want to go up to audio. And it has stuff up here. Let's see, I'm going to go all the way to the top. And I'm just going to use the ambient effect, which I'm pretty sure you can't hear anything on here because I'm not recording the audio off of the computer. I'm using an external mic. But yeah, so there's a bunch of different ones, and I'm pretty sure ambient effect 2 is the one that I used for my intro. So you're just going to pull this down here, cut it to size, but if you have anything like on your iTunes, you can use that as well. And then play it, and there it is. And then to save it, if you like don't know how to save stuff on iMovie, just push share and then push file, and then just gonna go intro 2 just because I already have an intro that I made, and then push next, and then save to desktop. There's some other things on here which I never really mess with those because I like the settings that they're in. So I'm just gonna push save, and then it saves it, and it'll tell you when it's done saving or whatever. So that is it. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me down below. If you want me like just to do videos about other types of stuff like this, let me know. Yeah, just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.